I was very much interested always in technology, but also in the environment or environmental systems. I was also interested in the future very much and how we would live in the future. And when you think further and further, then you also get to think, what if we live on the moon or on Mars or even beyond. And I think this is when I started investigating, how do we live in these completely different environments, very extreme, very far away, and where can I learn more about it? And the interesting part is that when we think about creating this kind of balance between all these systems and the regeneration of water and air and getting also the food production into the loop, then it becomes very interesting because this is a conceptual approach on looking at life and architecture. More recently or currently we're working on a project which is more about having 3 bioreactors in one. It's called Living Architecture, and it's about creating a wall or a partition wall or just a whole building which has a large bioreactor or parts of a bioreactor which completely recreate a new system of waste treatment. We can have enough water to flush toilets, to water plants, or when we have integrated greenhouses, vertical farming. We then always have to think of habitats or envelopes which are small, which are compactable, deployable, or which transform into bigger spaces. Thinking of compact living in cities, it's the same approach. And so you have to cover the basics, but then it's also about who's gonna be there, how will they interact, what do they need for interaction, and what do we as humans need to feel comfortable.